For many crossdressers, having smooth, hair-free legs is an important aspect of achieving a feminine appearance. However, achieving those silky smooth legs often comes with a common but frustrating problem: itchy legs after shaving. This discomfort can be a significant issue, especially when you're trying to feel confident and comfortable in your skin. But don't worry, there are effective ways to manage and prevent post-shaving itchiness. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore various tips and techniques to help you deal with itchy legs after shaving, so you can focus on feeling fabulous and confident in your cross-dressing journey. Before you even pick up your razor, it's essential to prepare your skin properly. Proper preparation not only makes the shaving process smoother but also helps prevent irritation and itchiness afterward. Exfoliation is a crucial step that is often overlooked. By exfoliating your legs, you remove dead skin cells that can clog your razor and cause ingrown hairs. Exfoliation also helps lift the hair away from the skin, allowing for a closer shave. You can use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a loofah to slough off dead skin cells. For those with sensitive skin, opt for a mild exfoliator that won't cause additional irritation. Using warm water to soak your legs before shaving is an excellent way to soften the hair and open up the pores. This makes the shaving process easier and reduces the risk of skin irritation. A warm bath or a hot shower for about 5–10 minutes before shaving can make a significant difference. The heat will relax your skin and hair follicles, making the shave smoother and less likely to cause itching. The tools you use for shaving play a significant role in the outcome. Using the right razor and shaving products can make all the difference between smooth, comfortable legs and itchy, irritated skin. One of the most important investments you can make for your shaving routine is a high-quality razor. A razor with multiple blades and a pivoting head is ideal as it allows for a closer, smoother shave. The more blades a razor has, the fewer strokes you'll need to get rid of the hair, reducing the risk of irritation. It's also crucial to change your razor blade frequently. Dull blades can tug at the hair and skin, causing nicks, cuts, and post-shaving itchiness. For those with sensitive skin, consider using a razor designed specifically for sensitive areas, as these are often gentler and less likely to cause irritation. The type of shaving cream or gel you use can also impact your post-shave experience. Look for products that are moisturizing and specifically formulated to reduce irritation. Shaving creams or gels with ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin E, or shea butter can provide extra moisture and create a protective barrier between your skin and the razor. Avoid using soap as a substitute for shaving cream, as it can dry out your skin and lead to more irritation. Moisturizing is one of the most critical steps in your shaving routine, both before and after you shave. Keeping your skin hydrated helps prevent the dryness that often leads to itching and irritation. Applying a moisturizer before shaving might sound unusual, but it's a great way to keep your skin hydrated and supple, making the shaving process smoother. Use a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer and allow it to absorb into your skin before you begin shaving. This will help the razor glide more easily over your skin, reducing the risk of nicks and irritation. After you've finished shaving, moisturizing is an absolute must. Your skin is at its most vulnerable after shaving, so it's essential to replenish any lost moisture. Apply a rich, hydrating moisturizer to your legs immediately after shaving to lock in moisture and soothe the skin. Look for products that contain natural ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or almond oil, which are known for their moisturizing and soothing properties. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a fragrance-free moisturizer to avoid any additional irritation. Aloe vera is a natural remedy that's been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions, including burns, cuts, and irritation. Its anti-inflammatory and cooling properties make it an excellent choice for soothing your skin after shaving. Applying aloe vera gel to your freshly shaved legs can help calm any irritation and reduce itchiness. Aloe vera forms a protective barrier on the skin, which helps to lock in moisture and promote healing. It also has antibacterial properties that can prevent any potential infections from nicks or cuts. You can use pure aloe vera gel, which is available at most drugstores, or even extract the gel directly from an aloe vera plant if you have one at home. For the best results, apply aloe vera gel to your legs immediately after shaving, once your skin is dry. You can also use it throughout the day if you start to feel any itching or irritation. Keep the gel in the refrigerator for an extra cooling effect, which can be particularly soothing if your skin feels inflamed. If you haven't shaved your legs in a while and the hair has grown quite long, it's a good idea to trim it down before you shave. This can make the shaving process easier and help reduce the risk of irritation. Trimming your hair before shaving can significantly reduce the risk of irritation and itching. It allows the razor to work more efficiently, meaning fewer passes over the skin and less chance of causing irritation. This simple step can make a big difference in your overall shaving experience. What you wear after shaving can have a big impact on how your skin feels. Tight or rough fabrics can irritate freshly shaved skin, leading to increased itching and discomfort. After shaving, it's important to wear loose, breathable clothing to allow your skin to breathe and heal. Fabrics like cotton, bamboo, or silk are gentle on the skin and help reduce friction that can lead to irritation. Avoid wearing anything too tight, as this can rub against your skin and exacerbate any post-shaving itchiness. Maintaining smooth, itch-free legs requires ongoing care and attention. Establishing a regular aftercare routine can help keep your legs soft, smooth, and comfortable between shaves. Even on days when you're not shaving, it's important to keep your legs moisturized. A regular moisturizing routine helps maintain your skin's hydration levels, making it less prone to dryness and itching. Consider using a lightweight, daily moisturizer in the morning and a richer cream at night to keep your skin soft and supple. Products with natural oils or butters are particularly effective for keeping your skin hydrated. If you have sensitive skin, you'll need to take extra care to avoid irritation and itching. Sensitive skin is more prone to reactions, so it's important to choose products and techniques that are gentle and soothing. For those with sensitive skin, using hypoallergenic or fragrance-free products is crucial. Many standard shaving creams, moisturizers, and even razors contain fragrances or chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. Look for products labeled as hypoallergenic, which are formulated to minimize the risk of allergic reactions and irritation. It's also a good idea to do a patch test with new products before applying them to larger areas of your skin. Dealing with itchy legs after shaving doesn't have to be an ongoing struggle. By following these tips and establishing a proper shaving and skincare routine, you can enjoy smooth, comfortable legs without the discomfort of post-shaving itchiness. From preparing your skin properly before shaving to choosing the right tools and maintaining a moisturizing routine, every step plays a crucial role in preventing irritation. With a little care and attention, you can achieve the silky smooth legs you desire while feeling confident and comfortable in your cross-dressing journey. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it may take some experimentation to find the routine that works best for you. But with these guidelines in hand, you're well on your way to enjoying itch-free, smooth legs that you can feel proud of. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.